Have you ever noticed something strange about budgeting? You feel motivated on day one. You open an app, write everything down, maybe even color code it. It feels like this time, you finally have control over your money. Then, something happens. Day 7, you skip tracking one expense. Day 12, you forget a few small purchases. Day 20, you stop checking the budget altogether. Day 30, it's gone, completely abandoned. And here's the weird part. This doesn't happen because you're lazy. It happens even to people who are smart with money. So the real question is, why does something that works in theory fail so fast in real life? Most people think budgeting fails because they don't have enough discipline. They believe successful money management is just about self-control, like forcing yourself to stop spending, tracking every expense, and sticking to strict rules. But that's not actually how human behavior works. Because budgeting is not just a math problem, it's a behavior problem. And your brain is not designed to track numbers all day long. It's designed to seek comfort, reward, and convenience. So when budgeting starts feeling like pressure, restriction, or effort, your brain slowly pushes back. Not all at once, but quietly, step by step, until you give up. Let's break this down simply. When you create a budget, you're basically doing this. You're building a money rule system for your future self. Like, I will only spend this much on food. I will save this percentage every month. I will track every expense. On paper, it makes perfect sense. But in real life, every purchase is emotional. You don't buy coffee because of logic. You buy it because you're tired. You don't order food because of budgeting rules. You order it because you're stressed or lazy. So, what happens is a constant conflict. Your budget says no. Your emotions say yes. And emotions usually win. Now here's the hidden problem most people miss. Budgets assume you will behave the same every day. But your life doesn't work like that. Some days you're motivated. Some days you're exhausted. Some days you just want to feel good. So a strict budget starts breaking the moment reality changes. And instead of adjusting the system, people blame themselves. They think I failed again. But actually the system failed the human. Let's zoom out for a second. Think of budgeting like going to the gym. If someone gives you a workout plan that is too strict, too fast, too uncomfortable, what happens? You might follow it for a few days, but eventually your brain starts associating it with stress instead of progress, so you avoid it. Budgeting works the same way. If your money plan feels like restriction, your brain treats it like punishment, and humans are wired to escape punishment. That's why most budgets don't die in a dramatic moment. They die in small decisions like, I'll track it later, this one doesn't count, I'll restart next week. Not because you stopped caring about money, but because the system was too heavy for your daily life. Here's the deeper truth most people never realize. People don't fail at budgeting. They fail at unrealistic